In this video, I explain why we use partial correlations for multicollinearity. Partial correlations for multicollinearity. When you have regression model and you have more than two independent variables, then zero order correlation, and the other name of zero order correlation is simple correlation, is not suitable in such situation. Why it is not suitable? If you want to know its reason, I made a separate video on this topic. You can find the link of this video at end screen. So in case of more than two independent variables, zero order correlation is not suitable to deduct multicollinearity. So two econometricians, Ferrer and Glober, suggested that partial correlation is suitable to deduct multicollinearity when you have three and more than three variables, independent variables. So this is the regression model. Y is the dependent variable, beta 1 is independent, and x2, x3, x4 are the independent variables. Beta 1 is intercept and beta 2, beta 3 are the slope coefficients. EI is the error term. So in regression model, y depends on three independent variables, x1, x2, x3. So when you find coefficient of determination r square in which y depend on three independent variables, you can find very high collinearity. But when you check the separate effect r12.34 square and r13.2 square means a simple correlation between x2, x3 and means y with x2, y with x3 and y with x4 r12 square, r13 square, and in this r12 mean correlation between y and x2 and 3,4 means these variables effect is constant. Similarly, the meaning of this r square and this r square. So this suggests that there is that variable x2, x3 are highly intercorrelated, but at least one variable is superfluous. Means one variable is extremely dangerous, otherwise these correlations produce comparatively low results. Comparatively low results means low correlation coefficients, but one correlation is very high. So partial correlation may be useful in such situation. Means when you calculate coefficient of determination complete model, very high correlations, and in separate zero order correlation there it produce very low results. So there is ambiguity between these results. So in such situation you can use partial correlation to deduct the multicollinearity. But some econometricians have reservations to use of the partial correlation in specific scenario. If you want to see more videos about the topic of multicollinearity, then you can search playlist. I made a playlist in the name of multicollinearity, and you can see videos from my channel. If you like video, then click on like button and subscribe the channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.